Data people, my name is Matthew Heffron, and today's tutorial is on sets. What we want to accomplish is to see the top 20 customers. So let's jump right into it. Let's go ahead and click the sample superstore. Let's grab customer name, drop it on the row shelf. Let's grab cells, drop that on the text shelf. Let's hold command, drop sum of cells onto color. Click marks, change that to square. We're just trying to make it pop a little more. Let's right click customer name, sort. We're going to sort this descending by the sum of cells. Hit OK. Okay, so now we have this nice list, but we only want to see the top 20. So how do we do that? So let's create our set. We're going to go to customer name, create set. We'll give it a meaningful name, top 20 customers. And we're going to hit top by field, change that to 20, and it's by the sum of cells, which we want. We're going to hit OK. Now that the set is created, let's drop it on the filter shelf. Boom! There you have it. Here's your top 20 customers. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial on sets. Have a good one.